I don't think people understand how dramatic cake can be. This one, pure Halloween mic drop. Stick with me. Start by whisking your dry mix. Flour, baking powder, pinch of salt. Then fold in sugar. Separate into 2 batched colors. Orange batter gets zest and food color. Black batter gets cocoa and black gel. Pour into 3 pans. Alternate orange and black for that spooky striped reveal. Bake until a skewer comes out clean. Cool completely. While cooling, whip buttercream. Butter. Powdered sugar. Vanilla. Split and tint 1 bowl orange. Level layers. Stack with thin buttercream between each. Then crumb coat. And chill. Final frost. Smooth with black buttercream. Pipe orange rosettes. Smash candy on top. Slice to reveal dramatic layers. And watch jaws drop. Quick tip. Refrigerate before slicing for cleaner cuts. Happy haunting. And eat responsibly.